Can a stranger really bring out the best in us? Here's what Priyanka has to share.
Strangers, see. So, every time a stranger came into my life, the way they introduced me to the sides of me that was not visible ever was very interesting. So, which is why I say strangers have been.
I can just see that now. So give us one or two examples of these strangers who came into your life. Give us some substance to that.
Okay. The first person who really actually, introduced me to this concept of what a stranger can do in a person's life was when I was on a trek. So I met this gentleman. He was working for the Defense Forces. And this was my first trek. And I was, someone who didn't believe enough that I can go through what it takes to complete a trek.
Right.
But that's when, he just showed me that my fitness levels were way beyond what I could ever imagine. So that's where it all started.
I get that.
So it was a very small beginning, but it went on a long way. And on the very same trip, I met this tour guide who for the first time told me that, ma'am, there's something, whatever I tell you, you understand it. So, it was very interesting. And, that's why...
And this is the first time you're meeting him?
That was the first time I was meeting him. And he was telling me about, how he works in Dharamshala, why Dharamshala is why Dharamshala is the place it is, and what role it has had in his development.
Right.
And, so it was a very interactive conversation. And through the conversation, he said, ma'am, I share this with a lot of people, but I just feel like you get me. So, like this, there were people who I met.
Tell me about this army person, because he played a key role in your life. You want to name him so that,
So, this was a friend of mine called Saurabh. He was someone who I met as a co-traveler. So, it was on this trek called Hamta Pass Trek. And it was the first time I was meeting him. And I was so apprehensive because it was my first trek. And, suddenly I had chosen like a 7-day trek. So, at every stage,
And before this, you hadn't done a 7-day trek?
No, I never done a trek.
You never done a trek itself and you chose a 7-day trek for the first one?
I chose a 7-day trek for the first one.
What drove you to that?
What drove me to that? I want to be in a new place.
You were not running away from anything. You didn't want solitude and
No.
leave the city behind.
Not really.
Not really.
I was happy where I was, but at the same time, I wanted to be in places where I haven't been. And I wanted to be with people who I haven't been with.
Right.
And that's what got me to get on this trek. And that's exactly what happened. I was put into situations where I've never been before. And I came across people who had never met prior to that. And it was a life-altering experience.
Fabulous.